Hey, guys, welcome back to my channel, Animal Show. And we are back to the new video. Goats are known for their curious and playful nature, often exploring their surroundings by climbing and jumping. They have rectangular-shaped pupils, which provide them with a wide field of vision and excellent depth perception. Baby chicks are born with a temporary egg tooth on their beak, which helps them break out of their eggshell. They can recognize and imprint on their mother within hours of hatching, following her around and learning from her behavior. Dogs have an extraordinary sense of smell, capable of detecting scents at incredibly low concentrations. They also have a unique fingerprint-like nose print, with no two dog noses being exactly alike. Cows have a keen sense of smell and can detect scents up to 6 miles away. They also have a complex social structure within their herds, forming strong bonds with other cows and displaying various social behaviors. Ducks have waterproof feathers. A special gland near their tails produces oil that keeps them dry while swimming. They have a wide range of vocalizations, from the classic quack to softer sounds used for communication within their flocks. Monkeys are known for their social behavior and live in complex, hierarchical groups called troops. Some monkey species, like capuchins, use tools such as sticks and stones for various purposes, demonstrating their problem-solving abilities. Elephants have the largest brains of any land animal, and they exhibit complex emotions such as empathy and mourning for their deceased kin. They can also communicate using a wide range of vocalizations, some of which are below the range of human hearing. Cats have a highly developed sense of balance due to their inner ear structure, which allows them to land on their feet when they fall. They also have retractable claws that help them maintain their agility and silently stalk prey. Pandas primarily eat bamboo, consuming large quantities daily, but they belong to the order Carnivora. They have a thumb-like extra bone in their wrist, which helps them grip bamboo stems with precision. Pigs are highly intelligent animals, often outperforming dogs in cognitive tests. They have a strong sense of smell, which they use for foraging, and a remarkable ability to adapt to various environments and climates. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe to stay updated. Thank you.